My brothers and my sisters, what we are going to talk about right now is about the sounds from the skies that have been heard in many countries. And the sounds are like that made people agape, curious, terrified, worried, anxious. They couldn't answer what sounds they were. They only could guess, interpret about the sounds. It could be the sounds of trumpet. It could be the sounds of whales. It could be the sounds of cows from the skies. If you want to hear the sounds like from one country to another country, one city to another city, they sound alike, as if it were very, very big horn, trumpet, and blown by a very big power, because the sounds came from the sky. Nobody could answer the questions. Only Muslim people could guess. But the guessing again was still wrong, because it didn't go with the explanation from the Prophet Muhammad. They said they came from the sounds of trumpet of the Israfil. Israfil angel is the one who holds the biggest trumpet in the universe that will blow the trumpet and make all the living things surprised, worried, and terrified after hearing the sound. And everybody was out of their houses, tried to find where the sound came from, because it was so loud that nobody could not stay in their houses. They were so worried because the sound was very, very strange, and therefore they should have come over, find out where the sound came from and what the sound was. And then the second blowing of the trumpet by Israfil, all mankind were dead, because of the shaking of the earth. All the earth was shaken violently, vigorously, severely, horribly, awfully, until nobody could stand. on their standing position until nobody remembered anybody. No relationship, no family relationship, no father, no mother, no brother, no sisters. Everybody tries to help himself. All the mountains erupted. The first sky fall onto the earth. The sun is very, very hot, hitting the earth. And the boiling seawater is mountain-like, trying to destroy everything in front of it. The tsunami of boiling seawater. At the time, no hate, no house erecting, all flat. The flat earth, mankind is dead. All mankind are dead. Nobody is alive. And then the third blowing of the trumpet by Israfel angel, all mankind that have been buried, that have been dead, get up naked and then the day of resurrection is coming. The day of judgment, the day of complaints and blaming is coming. No more presidents, no more ministers, no more kings, no more queens, no more rich men. Everybody, every mankind is naked. The day of judgment has come.